Welcome to the world of Upper Cervical Chiropractic, where precision meets healing and health is restored from the top down. Join us as we explore how this unique approach is transforming lives across the globe. I'm Dr. Kyle Murray, and today I'm taking you on a global tour to understand the incredible impact of Upper Cervical Chiropractic. From its roots to its modern applications, let's dive into how this specialized field is making waves worldwide. First, let's get to know what Upper Cervical Chiropractic is all about. Imagine the upper neck, the upper cervical region, as the command center of your body. This is where the base of the skull meets the neck, and it's also where the brainstem sits, which influences everything from your posture to your nervous system. The key player here is the atlas, which is the topmost bone of the spine. When the atlas is in perfect alignment, it ensures that the communication between your brain and your body is flowing seamlessly. But when it is off kilter, even just slightly, it can cause a cascade of issues throughout your entire spine and body. Upper Cervical Chiropractic is not just a local phenomenon, it's a global movement. From North America to Europe, South Africa to Australia, chiropractors trained in this specialized field are making a difference in their patients' lives. These practitioners undergo extensive training to master the art and science of precise and effective adjustments, tailored to each individual's unique spinal alignment. Let's hear from some real people who have experienced the benefits of Upper Cervical Chiropractic care.
As soon as I would get my adjustment, I would laugh a lot. It was like the oxygen was flowing back to my brain and I felt really lighthearted, almost like a high. So that would be like the most noticeable. You're like, suddenly I feel so good. Everything restored in those first 6 months of treatment. The anxiety went away, the fight or flight, the eyes not working together, the vertigo, everything just slowly started to fix itself in a way that was not obvious.
Being a little under a year, I feel amazing. There's no sciatic pain. My anxiety level is like way down. I can handle a lot of things that I haven't been able to. I can put on my clothes easily.
So over the first few weeks, huge difference in my mood and how I felt physically. I was getting back in tune with things, and I just wanted to be able to go back to work and function at a regular level, which I was able to do. And now that the treatment has been consistent and long enough, I've regained a lot of strength.
It's my first go-to now. If somebody's not feeling well, I'm like, have you had your atlas checked? Like, I'm so annoying. I don't know if it's that or not, but if it is, I can't imagine not checking it, because if that's involved in any way, which it very well could be, if you can get that component out of the way, it will save you so much time and energy, and it will take a piece of that puzzle and it will remove it for you. And it's so much easier than going to 30 specialists and having them give you prescriptions that you don't need, or give you prescriptions that may or may not help, or give you prescriptions that may solve one problem and cause two more. Wouldn't it just be better to solve the underlying problem?
Now, the impact of Upper Cervical Chiropractic isn't just anecdotal. It's backed by science. Research shows that precise adjustments to the upper cervical spine can improve nervous system function, reduce pain, and enhance overall health and performance. This approach is just like fine-tuning a delicate instrument, bringing your body back into harmony. As awareness grows, so does the reach of Upper Cervical Chiropractic. More and more healthcare professionals are recognizing its benefits, and patients are seeking out this specialized upper cervical care. The future is bright, with advancements in technology and techniques continuously improving patient outcomes. Upper Cervical Chiropractic is changing lives, one adjustment at a time, all around the world. If you are interested in finding an Upper Cervical Chiropractor near you, visit uccnearme.com to find the closest doctor to you. Thank you for joining me on this global tour. I'm Dr. Kyle Murray with Atlas Brain and Spine here in Upland, California. And if you were intrigued by what you just saw, please take a second to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And remember, when you restore your brain, you will truly begin to heal your pain. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video.